Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about algorithm in design and analysis of algorithm. So the word algorithm comes from the name of Persian author Abu Jafar Muhammad. So he wrote one textbook titled Algoritmi di Numero Indom. Now term is algorithm. So the algorithm come from this textbook algorithm. So this is the algorithm word comes from Persian author textbook. Algorithm is nothing but a finite sequence of instruction, each of which has clear meaning and can be performed with finite amount of efforts in a finite length of time. So in other words, we can say algorithm is nothing but step-by-step process to solve one particular problem. For example, if you want to solve one particular problem, that problem can be done by using step-by-step process. Those steps are finite in sequence. No matter what the input values may be, an algorithm terminates after executing a finite number of instructions. For example, if you want to display 100 elements in an array, so here for displaying 100 elements, you need to do step-by-step process. First, you need to visit one step, one array element. Next, you need to visit the second element, third element, like that. So the steps will be executed after some time. The steps will be executed for some time. After completion of all the elements, the execution will stop. So here algorithm also, it terminates after executing a finite number of instructions. So these are the some real life examples: recipes, sorting paper, traffic signals, bus schedules, and GPS. So I will take one example: recipes. The goal of the course is to create a duplicated outcome recipe. To complete a recipe, you have to follow given set of instruction. For example, if you want to prepare one coffee or tea, so you need to create one duplicate coffee or tea. So for that, if you are making a bread, so we are taking tea. So for that, you need to follow some steps to complete one tea or coffee, duplicate tea or coffee. Okay, in a finite number of steps, it will complete. Like that, if you are making a bread, you will need to gather your ingredients, combine them in a certain way, and that will create a predictable outcome. So here the problem is creating bread or preparing coffee. So for preparing coffee or making bread, you are following some steps like collection of ingredients and making process. So first, what ingredient add, then what ingredient add. So like that, you are following some steps. So after completing all the steps, you create one predictable outcome. That process is known as algorithm. So here, if you want to solve one problem, you need to create algorithm. Algorithm can be created by using natural language or pseudocode or flowchart. I will discuss all these topics in the next video. So for solving one problem, we need to create one algorithm. Algorithm is nothing but step-by-step process. So you need to create one algorithm. Next, for getting output, we need to give the algorithm and input to the computer, so it will produce output. For example, if you want to add two numbers, so the algorithm may be the first step read a value, second step read b value, third step a plus b. So we are adding the two values, two variable values, and next fourth step is displaying the result. So these are the four steps for solving adding of two numbers. So we are giving this algorithm to computer and we need to give inputs. So what are the inputs? A value and B value. So I am giving inputs: A value is 10, B value is 20. So I am giving algorithm as well as input to the computer. So it will produce the output, that is 30. Like this. This is the algorithm. In this way, you can develop algorithms. I will discuss the characteristics and how to create algorithms in the next class. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.